Hi, my name is Ogabek and welcome to my presentation, and this presentation is made possible by Engineering Concept Drawing course. So the title of my presentation is Creating a New Product by Combining Stationery and Electronic Goods. Well, there is a technique called combining, and combining is one of the techniques of Scamper method. And combining technique is creating a new product by combining two or more existing products. You can whether combine the design or you can combine the functionality as well. And good example can be cell phones because they have combined phone features with the cameras. Well, in this project, I used the design thinking method. Actually, design thinking is an iterative process in which you seek to understand your users and challenge assumptions and redefine problems, and you need to come up with creative and innovative solutions which you can prototype and test. And design thinking involves five different phases. They are emphasize, define, ideate, and prototype and test. Well, in this project, I used the three main stages of design thinking, such as empathy, ideate, and prototype. Well, let's start from the empathy stage. In this stage, we made brainstorming through Miro website with my course mates. Here you can see what we did on the Miro website. We actually created the visual table of the electronic goods and the stationery goods. And then each of us chose three different products from stationery goods and electronic goods. Well, I chose whiteboard, pen, eraser, and remote control, backup charger, and computer monitor. And let's move to the ideate step. In this process, I set the project goals and I chose two items. One is from the stationery items and one is from the electronic items for combining in order to create a new product. Then I gave a name to my product. I named it Zola, and after that I draw the thumbnail sketches, and then I draw the detailed drawing of my final idea. uh, my project goal is combining alarm clock and the books, because as we know that year by year people are avoiding from using and reading the paper books because of it is inconveniences in terms of usage, and as we know that the way we produce books kind of harms nature. And on the another side, alarm clocks are also becoming less popular because of the replacement by the smartphones. We all know that people are commonly using their smartphone applications instead of uh, alarm clocks. So I actually designed a new alarm clock which we can listen audiobooks on Audible or any other platforms. I hope that people will like listening audiobooks before going to sleep or anytime from smart and great looking alarm clock. Here you can see my thumbnail sketches of my initial ideas, and after that I finalized my idea and I made a detailed drawing of my final idea. Here you can see my product from different angles such as front view, back view, top view, and side view. Then I also uh, decided the dimensions, I mean the size of my product. And the next stage is prototype. Well, in this stage, I create the 3D model of my product, and I designed the product by using the Fusion 360 software. Before showing you the 3D model, I'm going to show you how I made this 3D model on the Fusion 360 software. Well, we can see the each steps which I did on this software in order to create this 3D model. Mainly I used some extrude functions and moving functions and setting some dimensions. and I put the huge display on the top side, and we can see there is a UI as well. Let's back to our presentation, and as we saw that this is my product. On the UI, on the display, we can see the time and the weather information based on your location, and we can see the date, and below that there is a audiobook player, and it shows also the name of the book and authors and all the functionality you can get. This is a side view, and it is a backside view, and on the back we can see that there is a speaker, and below that there is a charging port which supports USB Type-C, and on the top there are three buttons. One is for volume up, and another one is volume down, and um, in the center there is a power button as well. So these were all about my new product, which is called Zola. Thanks for watching.